Hello there guys, so I'm back with another video and I'm just out here in the wilderness. Just gonna find what plants I can find. That's all I'm gonna do. Canada goldenrods, very unique I would say. Very pretty too, if you got it. Very, like it can be used for so much. Very good for decorations. Chloe, what are you doing? Come here. Chloe, yeah, don't worry, she's just a little dusty. She's just a little dusty. She is. That is not her color, by the way. She is just rolling in dirt and all, and just very dusty overall. Roxy, what are you doing? Roxy? Almost tripped. That would not be good. Don't want to have to face plant, huh? Canada goldenrods, some more. Ooh, fox, we got a foxtail there. That's just a nickname, that's not the actual name. Just a nickname. Here's an Amur honeysuckle. Don't worry, this is poisonous, so do not eat these, but they do attract birds, mostly hummingbirds, which you want. They're very squishy, but not edible, so do not eat them. I don't want to see anyone die because of my channel. I don't want anyone die from this video. That would just be awful. Clo. I'm not sure what kind of tree that is, but that's alright. Let's see here. Amur honeysuckle. Amur honeysuckles do look pretty. I'm not gonna lie, they look okay. Oh. That might be a goldenrod. Or it might be a Canada goldenrod or a giant goldenrod. There's two kinds of goldenrods. Canada goldenrod is usually just one big plant. It's out. Oh, yeah. Thorns. Yeah. We got thorns here, which means I'm going this way. Oh, that's a thistle. That's a thistle bush. Right there. I almost stepped on it, but I didn't. Wow. But yeah, you know, this is maize. Also corn. The actual name of corn is maize. This is kind of cool. But yeah, the Canada goldenrod is just like one big stick, kind of like that. And the giant one is just a big one, but then branches off into way more gold. Just way more plants. It is something unique. I'm not sure. Does that mean maize? Millie? I'm not sure what that is, but that's alright. Oh, there's a thorn tree. That's a big thorn tree. See those? Do not want to be in contact with those at all. So, my recommendation is to try to stay away from those. Oh, I don't know what kind of tree this is. Oh, it's the thorn tree. It's the thorn tree that grows these. Okay. I did not know that. Didn't know. That's what thorn trees go. Looks like a lightning strike. Looks like a lightning strike possibly could have happened here. Anyways, that's my guess. Lightning strike possibly. Oh my, we got some grass here. I think this might be Kentucky bluegrass. Not all too sure. Oh. So Kentucky bluegrass is St. Autumn's grass, Austin's grass. There's a lot of grasses out there. So, yeah. Okay, I gotta look at another thorn tree. Maple, right? Oh wait, no. I got caught. Oh, I have no idea what that is. It has like, you see that thorns? It has like thorns on it. There's also these, which, wait, can I get it? Plate. All right here. Thorns. You definitely want to make sure. You want to be careful around thorns. My recommendation is probably gloves. If you like need to get rid of some weeds here, gloves would be a good idea. And while I was talking about that, I wasn't paying attention and almost ran into some thorns. That would not be good. No one wants to see that, right? Possibly poison ivy. Possibly poison ivy. That could. Oh. I'm just gonna go get low here and. Oh, I got it. Okay. 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 Something happened. No! Guy. Yeah, cockroaches. Pretty sure, right? Don't feel free to correct me. Stop grabbing me! They're a pain in my own bum. They're a pain in my Maximus gluteus. Maximus gluteus. Something like that. A big pain. So. And I think that's a good point to stop right now. I might go further next time, but I am not too sure. If you see here, I'm still dealing with the stupid cockroaches. They're so dicks. Oh my gosh. Well, goodbye guys. I'll get you to it and see you next time.